If you're looking for new ideas for your videos that can help people and they search for so you get views on your channel, you should find out what people ask about your video topics. Because if they ask it, someone probably also searches for it. And this is the easiest way to get views from specific questions that people ask in YouTube search. The best way to find these questions is in the YouTube comment section of each video. The technique is simple and free. You don't need to pay for fancy tools to find out what people ask. You just need to search your topic on YouTube and get into the video comment section to see what people ask about this topic. The questions probably are not covered in this video, so you have a fresh idea for your video. When you find a video on your topic, go to the comments. If this video didn't get too many questions, then just gather the question you find in the comments. But if you want to see what people ask again and again, it is very time consuming to go over all the comments on all of the videos on the same topic just to find the questions. So here are two free tools, one from TubeBuddy and one from VidIQ that you can use. You can find the links to their website, download the free extensions in the description of this video. Here's how to use them both. First, find a video that has comments, and the more the better. If you didn't find videos with lots of comments, then use what you have. If it is an evergreen topic, you can also use old videos. Usually they have more comments because when time passes, more people get to see that video and comment on it. On top of the comments, you can see both tools from TubeBuddy and VidIQ if you have the extension, and each one can help you in different ways. So I suggest you get both. It is free anyway. The first we take a look at is from TubeBuddy. You have an icon of cloud, and when you click on it, you get a cloud of words that are used in the comment section. It is only words and not phrases, but you can still look for words that might contain a question. While you find one, open the find window. Click on Ctrl F if you are on Windows. Then paste that word you just copied from the cloud, and now you can find on the whole page the questions. This way you can find good questions. After you find a question that you think is worth a video, then copy it to a doc and continue to find more ideas. By the way, if you don't see the cloud and you have TubeBuddy installed, then just refresh the page. It should be visible again. Now let's see what VidIQ has to offer us to make our life easier when we search for questions from people in the comments. You can see you have a drop-down menu on top of the comments. This is from VidIQ. When you open it, you can organize a question based on different things, like to find if this comment has or hasn't a reply. This is great for different users. If you want to find question on your video that didn't have replies, or when you want to reply to a comment that this person might go to your channel if you answer it. But we are looking for the tool that helps us find the question. So one of the options that VidIQ gives us to get the comments we want to find is if the comment has a question inside. They have different ways to identify what is a question. Now again, you can search the question until you find something you think is worth answering in a video you make. By the way, you can use this technique also when you want to create a course and you want to know what are the questions people ask and don't always get good answer just by the written answer in the comments. With VidIQ, you can also look for specific words, so you can use the TubeBuddy word cloud to find words and then use VidIQ to find the comments with these words. You can also use a few filters when you search with VidIQ, so you can set the comments search by containing question and by specific words that you find on the word cloud by TubeBuddy. You should download both tools for free. If you ask yourself if it is worth it to pay for the Pro and above plans for both of them, then look at the playlists I have on my channel for VidIQ and TubeBuddy to see what each one has in the paid plan, so you can know what is better for your situation. They are both great tools, but each one have different tools that can help you grow your YouTube channel. So download both of the extensions for free and subscribe to my channel and watch this video next.